Hello people, I am back with another video, and today we are reviewing a toy called Mini Brands. Y'all have most likely heard of these.
Yeah.
These have gotten very famous.
And Jumbo, please.
And we are going to be opening these. So.
And ta-da, me, Maverick. So today, we're going to open these and see what's inside.
There's a lot of, a lot of brands, obviously. Why else would it be called Mini Brands?
I don't know.
But,
why.
Yeah, we're gonna get this open, obviously, otherwise I wouldn't be doing this video. Hold on, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back, and they have another layer of protective film on there.
I need a chair, please.
Oh, can I get one then?
I don't. Oh, I need some help.
No, stop. No. Alright, so I got all the protective films off.
Yeah.
And now
It's inside.
Open this. This is the first time opening these. So
This is the best I have.
So
What?
our first is a Blaze and the Monster Machine character. Oh, we got Darrington. It's actually one of my favorites in that.
Okay.
And then we got Sparkle Girls. Weird.
Yeah.
And then we got
Don't trust these.
Dora the Explorer. Cool thing right there.
No, the last one.
No, it's actually not the last one. Ooh,
What?
we got a Rubik's Cube.
Oh.
That's cool.
Yeah, this is cool.
And we also got this little manual. And then
What's in the other one?
this is the last one.
Yeah.
So let's see what we got. It's
Hula hoop.
It's just a hula hoop. That's all it is. So
let's open these.
No, you don't open them.
Wait, I'm
No.
gonna open this.
No.
Why?
No.
Why?
Because no. So that is a Mini Brands review. So, yeah. Not much.
This.
Let's just go over a quick review, that is, if you haven't forgotten.
I'm gonna open that.
First, we got Darrington.
Yeah. Darrington.
Which is it's a very detailed thing. Then we got a Sparkle Girl thingamabobbers. Weird. Then we got Dora the Explorer.
Now we got a Rubik's Cube.
Which is actually kind of cool because it actually has a pretty packaging. And then we got a Rubik's Cube
And a hula hoop.
We got the hula hoop. It's not a hula hoop, it's a hula hoop.
Hula hoop.
And that is all, peoples.
Bye.
We will see you in the next video.
Off
Goodbye.
milligrams.